So using Claude AI, you can actually go ahead and convert out one programming code from one language to another. So over here, you can see that I got a Python program right here, which takes in three numbers, adds them up and subtract them out by 10%. So let's say I want the same program, but in C++ format. If I were to, let's say, for example, take this Python code, paste it into C compiler right here, then it won't actually run because it doesn't support it. It simply doesn't understand the code. So now I can go to Claude for that. And then let's say, for example, open up inverted comma, paste out the code, and I can simply go ahead and say, convert this programming code to C++ programming code right here. If you know like what the source language is, you can be specific. So I can say convert this Python programming code to C++ programming code. All you need to say is that, and if you were to go ahead and send it out, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then run it out right here. It's actually going ahead and checking out the skills right here. And then around over here, you can see that the C++ conversion has taken place. And then it has converted the code and is also telling me like what else it has actually replaced right here. So now what you can simply do is you can go ahead and copy up this code and then go around over here onto the C++ compiler. Let me just go ahead and paste this code right here and run. And then what happens is that you can see that it now behaves the same as this code right here. So you can enter number 1. So you can go ahead and say 45, 67, and 34. Then you got the total number entered. Then you got the sum. And after minus 10% is this. So if you know one programming language and then want to convert it into another programming language as you want, then you can simply use Claude as a solution to quickly convert out from one programming language to another programming language easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.